One of the big problems, particularly in the Southeast, right, in our region, has to do with the geology, right? A lot of this is underlain by karst features, limestone, dolomite, things that can and do erode. Acidic groundwater dissolves these kinds of rock. And when that happens, you get sinkholes, you get caves that develop, you have frequently changing subsurface conditions can result in new pathways for groundwater flow, or can present themselves, as settlement or subsidence at the surface, which can affect, these large structures. It is critical to have instrumentation and means and methods and technologies that you can use to monitor these kind of changing conditions so that you can respond accordingly. A lot of times what we're finding is, maybe some clients have some of this instrumentation, but no one is monitoring it. It's not being watched, or the organization for the data is antiquated. It's not set up in an automated system or a server that tracks it and can send out alerts when pore pressures increase, or if you have an inclinometer that suddenly shifts rapidly in one direction. And so when you don't have systems like that in place, there may be worrying signs at structures that go unnoticed for months. I've been fortunate enough to work on a couple of projects involving instrumentation management, monitoring, evaluations. We have the experience doing this. And beyond the experience of us actually, troubleshooting and getting something like this set up and implemented, but we have continuously improved it. Right now, several junior staff in our office have been at a job site installing different types of instrumentation, right? Inclinometers, vibrating wire piezometers, that sort of thing, at a slope that has failed numerous times. For that site in particular, the hope is we'll install this instrumentation, get it integrated into a remote monitoring network so that if pressures are elevated or there's sudden movement, we and the client will be notified within, a matter of minutes potentially. And we can then respond accordingly, right? Whether it's taking emergency actions or planning, an investigation, or having to design, a new type of support structure or system that may help alleviate some of these stresses.